Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an abdominal workout. So I'm going to show you 6 different exercises so you can practice at home. You can do it anytime, and while you can want to build up your strong core, for you have your better posture, and when you're walking, or also for help you to prevent your injury, while you can also lift more heavy weights. So core is also a very important part of your body. So let's get started. So what we need to is just keeping your upper, we need to lie down on the floor. And if you have the kettlebell like me, means have it, or some things that you can hold at home. If you don't have, your hands can also put on the floor. Part is you have to keep your upper back towards, keep attached on the floor basically. And lift your pelvic tails to your chest and lift it up. Okay, let's start it.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me,
Okay. If you have some things that you can hold in, like if I have the kettlebell, we do is actually would be helping you more to have more contracts to your abs, to the abdominal muscle. So another 6
get
steps.
next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, our goals. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, baby. We'll do
Remember,
you good, 'cause
your back need to be keeping on the floor, not just have a gap, keeping on the floor. Okay, now first exercise ends, and let's move on to the second one. Okay, the next exercise is bicycle crunch. What we do is saying we lie down on the floor and lift your leg 90 degrees. Hold your fist as a ball and just touch the ear, not the head, not behind the head, because it will facilitate to pull your neck muscle, which is injury happen. So we just put them by the side, and we do 12 of each side. Let's start it.
You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be.
And we can practice at home more times. If you could have practice like 3 times of the 12, it's really help. So we move on to the next exercise is toe touch. So toe touch is same things. You lie down on the floor, as same as the leg raise. You put the back need to be keeping on the floor, not have a gap. Do not have a gap on the floor, and your hand touch when you're up. So touch like that. Okay, a little bit of this here. Okay, let's start it. We do 12.
Or if they really care, there's a stairway down for the both of us. But let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa. Telling you, pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross.
The next exercise, we move on to plank. So you could just lift your hand, help like that. But remember, you need to be toes together, okay, and engage your core. So we just do down. And we do count 30 seconds.
Don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you.
exercise is the side plank, same as the one you just done, and have the sides and lift up your whole body, your whole lower body up, and just holding on for 30 seconds.
Tell me how to be closer to you. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel the way I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayer.
Okay, done for this size. And we have another size. And this time we don't hold it for 30 seconds. For 10 seconds, we move on to the other exercise. So, but you do it at home, you gradually just hold it in 30
You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only.
Now we've moved on to the side bridge. So same as the one side plank, but we drop your core down like a bridge. Drop it down for 30, for 12. 1, really like you feel your core. So if you keep doing this exercise, you really feel your core is really working. So it means that it's building up the muscle. So moving to the other side, drop it just like before.
You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free. You and I could run away now. You and I could be on our way. Pack our bags and take this love to a different place now. Yes, you and I could be on our way. I love it when you whisper in my.
The next exercise. The next exercise, we move on to the ball WoodChop. So if you go to the gym, you can hold in the cable for the WoodChop, but we are not in the gym, so you can do it at home. Auto, sit here, fill up the water, and just do that. Any weights that at home you can hold it, similar like this size, can do that. If it's not, you can just using the body weights is also do. But I want to lift up some weight, so I have the medicine ball. That was a 5 kg. You can have 5 kg, 3 kg, or 1 kg, whatever is suitable for you. So now let's start it. And we do 12 of each size.
You held me back when I tried to move on from your life. So you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here. Cause I'm mad, show no fear. Wanna let you know just how it felt. Oh no, 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 no. Don't you think we're good? There's a way we could be.
Okay, for 10 seconds, I will move on to the other side. Okay, now let's start it again. Last set.
Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. I will never touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down. Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. We've been up, we've been down, trying to figure things out.
So if you really want to do some more cardio for work on the core as well, so we can always do the mountain climb. So we can, from there, we do 12 for each size.
Okay. Yeah. Look, yeah, down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop, some blow, some flop, I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop, don't stop, keep going, I got this mantra in my head and make me keep flowing, pour shots, keep pouring, it's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it.
Now it's all the exercise done today, so I hope you enjoy it, and please do practice at home. And if you can practice this one for each set, for each exercise, when you finish each exercise, do one more round and repeat it again. So do 3 times, 3 repeats 3 times for each day. You will really see a result after a month or 2. But if you don't, just keep practicing until you reach your goal. But this is how exercise, you need to have the consistency. So I hope to see you next time.